Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. So, children, again today we will have class 6 civics chapter 2 diversity, discriminations and equality, and this is my second video. In the previous video we talked about prejudice and discriminations. Today we are going to see inequality and discriminations. Children, when we create prejudice against a person or a group of people, we often create discriminations. When we treat a people in unfair ways, we misbehave. This is called discrimination. We do such activities when people are from the other caste, other religions, other walk of backgrounds. This creates inequality and this is against the law. Children, the people who are discriminated, they may be from the poor background or they may be from the lower caste. That is why they are restricted to enter the public places, drawing water from the public community, eating foods and drinking tea or water in the same utensils as others. In this way, we create discriminations, and this is fully forbidden by the constitutions. Now we will see the next topic, the constitutions and respect for diversity. Children, already you have learned and you remember that our constitution has got independence on 15th August 1947, and when the constitution was framed, the leaders, constitution makers, they granted equality by the constitutions to the everybody. Everybody is considered equal and has equal rights and opportunities. Everybody is treated equally, and even government also cannot discriminate against any government job. Not only this, a special rules have been made to benefit for the women and the certain caste and tribes, for reserving seats for them in education as well as in the government job. Now we will see fundamental rights. Children, the constitution makers show the discriminations and inequality among the people. That is why for the respects for diversity in our society, by ensuring that the people have the freedom to follow any religion of their choice, the fundamental rights should be upheld the principles of freedom and equality. They provided fundamental rights by the constitutions to the citizen of the country, and this is for everybody to develop themselves, individuals as well as for the nations. The constitution makers have given 7 fundamental rights, and that fundamental rights is for everybody, that we enjoy and live accordingly for our benefits and for the benefits of the country. These fundamental rights are a right to equality, a right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, right to constitutional remedies, cultural and educational rights, and the last, right to education. Hence, as per the provisions of the constitutions, the government must treat every individual equally. So children, in spite of certain inequalities that exist in our society, the government and the people are servicing to realize the ideals of equality and justice for all. Thank you. I'll stop here for today. The fundamental rights which have been given in the book 7, that you have to write in the copy and learn. It is your homework. And the objectives and the question answer we will do in the next video. Thanks for watching my videos. Children, if you like my video, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.